Hello, it's Green FPS, and today we're doing the top 5 firearms that I'm going to get in the future. Now, this is going to surprise you guys, but I'm going to start this video off with the PX4 for the number 5 firearm that I'm going to get, and it'll be chambered in 45 ACP. Like you guys know, I love the PX4. I got one in 9mm and love it, but that's going to be my number 5. My number 4 would be the FNX 9 in 9mm. My number 3 would be the Remington 700 SPS in 308. My number 2 would be the XD9 Compact. And it's a very awesome pistol, and that would be in 9mm. And the M1 Grand would be the number 1 gun that I'm going to get. And for honorable mention that I may get in the future, I'm not 100% sure, would be the HK USP chambered in 45 ACP. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.